Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we discuss the next exercise of the chapter 13 surface area and volumes. This exercise is based on the volumes. Previous exercise was based on surface areas of different solid objects, and in this exercise we are going to find the volume of the different combined solid objects. Okay, so the question number 1 from the exercise is: a solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. यहाँ पे हमें जो find करना है, we are given a solid and the solid is made of the cone as well as the hemisphere, and a cone is surmounted on a hemisphere and we need to find the volume of the combined solid here. Okay, given the dimensions as the radius of the hemisphere is equal to the radius of the cone as well as the radius of both are equal to the height of the cone, and given with the help of these given dimensions we are going to find the volume of the solid. Let us first draw the figure. So here what we have a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. We have a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. Okay, and it is given that the height of the cone is equal to the radius of the hemisphere, and the radius of the hemisphere is given as 1 centimeter. It means that height of the cone is as well 1 centimeter. So height of the cone is 1 centimeter, radius of the hemisphere is 1 centimeter, and as well as the radius of the cone is 1 centimeter. What we need to find is we need to find the volume of this whole solid. So solution, and this is question number 1. In the solution we have volume of solid will be equal to, the solid is made of combination of the cone and the hemisphere. So volume of the solid will be volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, so volume of solid will be equal to, as we need to find the volume of whole side, so solid, that is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now volume of cone will be equal to, volume of cone किसके बराबर होता है? यहाँ पे जो भी फॉर्मूला है मैंने इससे पहले भी डिस्कस किया इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो दैट कि जब भी आपने कोई भी क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर से करना है वो तभी पॉसिबल है इफ यू रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला, एंड वी हैव ओनली फ्यू फॉर्मूलाज देयर फॉर द सॉलिड्स. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/3 pi of square h. It implies 1/3 pi. As in the question it is given that we need the volume of the whole solid in terms of pi, तो इसलिए हमने pi का वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट नहीं करना है. We keep the pi as it is, and r is the radius of the cone that is equal to 1 centimeter, that is 1 square, and height is as well the 1. So we get the result as 1 square is 1 into 1, so we are left with 1/3 pi, and the unit is here centimeter, so the volume will be cubic centimeter. Now moving to the next, that is the volume of hemisphere. Also volume of hemisphere is always equal to, volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. You need to remember the formula, 2/3 pi r cube, that will be equal to pi. R cube means the radius is 1, so 1 cube Simply we can write 1 cube and it will become 2 by 3 pi centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of solid, जो हमारे पास volume of the total solid है, that is volume of cone, and the volume of cone is here 1 by 3 pi. We can write this as pi by 3 plus the volume of the hemisphere, and the volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi, or we can simply say 2 pi by 3, right? So further we can write this as pi, and the denominator is here same, so we can write this as pi plus 2 pi, that is equal to 3 pi upon 3. 3 pi upon 3 means the volume of the solid implies volume of solid is equal to pi centimeter cube. This is the total volume of the whole solid. Hope you understand. Now moving to the next question. So the question number 2 is here. Resha, an engineering student, was asked to make a model, and model shaped like cylinder, and the two corners are attached at its ends. हमें एक इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट है, उससे कहा गया है कि आपने एक मॉडल तैयार करना है, और मॉडल इस तरह का होना चाहिए कि एक सिलेंडर होगा एंड इट इज टू कॉर्नर्स आर अटैच्ड टू इट इज टू एंड्स, दो एंड्स पे इनके मॉडल ये कॉर्नर्स लगे हैं, एंड द डायमेंशंस आर गिवन एज द हाइट ऑफ द कॉर्न इज 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड the total length is 12 centimeter. Total length of the model is given as 12 centimeter. Also we are given the 3 centimeter is the diameter of the whole model. 3 centimeter is the diameter. So the model is like, we have a cylinder with two cones attached. Okay, we are given the diameter of the model as 3 centimeter, and the height of the one cone is given as 2 centimeter. It means if this is 3 centimeter again here, and this height is then 2 centimeter. Also the total height, or we can say total length of the model is given as 12 centimeter, like this. So what we need to find is, we need to find the total volume of this. It is given that this model is made of a thin sheet. अब thin sheet का मतलब यही है, इन्होंने यहाँ पे मेंशन क्यों किया है वो सब, क्योंकि the inner and the outer dimensions must be equal. तभी हम कह सकते हैं the length, the width of the sheet is negligible, 0. Okay, so here we need to find the volume of this model, and you know the model is made of the two cones, and both the cones are identical here, as it is of height, the height is the same as well as the diameter is same. Also we need to find the volume of the cylinder. This is the question number 2. So volume of model, so form volume of model will be equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of a cone. Why 2 times? Because both the cones are here identical. So volume of the model. Now volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is the volume of the cylinder. Implies pi is here 22 upon 7 into radius is half of the 3, that is 3 by 2, into the height. The height of the cylinder is this part. यहां से लेके यहां तक इसकी हाइट होगी, that means 12 minus 2 minus 2, यहां से भी 2 सेंटीमीटर कम, यहां से भी 2 सेंटीमीटर, सब्ट्रैक्ट करके हमें हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर पता चलेगा. This is the height as 12 minus 4, and the 12 minus 4 is 8 centimeter into 8. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। यहां से हमने पुट किया है हाइट को, एंड हाइट इज एक्चुअली व्हाट, h is equal to 12 minus 2 that is equal to 8 centimeters, height of the cylinder. Okay, so यहां से हम लिख सकते हैं इसको 22/7 into 9/4 into 8. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 is 8, right? So we are left with 44 into 9 divided by 7, that is equal to 9 4 is 36, 396/7, 7 5 is 35, 35. So 56.5 centimeter cube is the volume of the cylinder. Also, volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, that will be equal to 1/3 as it is, pi is 22/7, and the radius is again as 3/2, that will become 9/4. 3 square by 2 square is 9 square, 9 divided by 4 into the height, and height of, now here this height is different than the cylinder because the height of the cylinder is 8 but height of the cone is 2. So we write the height of the cone as 2. यहाँ पे आपने मिक्सअप नहीं करना है, आपने यहाँ पे हाइट जो किया है 8, तो यहाँ पे भी आप 8 नहीं ले सकते, यहाँ पे हमें हाइट ऑफ द कॉन लेना है. So it will become 2 1 are 2, 2 2 is 4, right? So 2 1s 2 11, 3 1s 3 3s 9. So it is equal to 11 into 3, that is equal to 33/7. 7 1 are 7, 7 4 is 28, is 5.7, 4.7, that is equal to 4.7 centimeter cube. This is the volume of what? This is the volume of the one cone. So we have the volume of the cylinder as well as volume of the cone here. So we can put the both volumes here to find the volume of a model. Therefore, volume of model is equal to volume of the cylinder, and the volume of the cylinder is 56.5. Actually, this is 56.6 approximately, because जब हम इसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, it becomes 56.55, that is equal to 56.6. So the volume of the model will become 56.5 plus twice volume of the cone is here 4.7, that will be equal to 56.5 plus 47 into 2 is 9.4. 9.4, it will become 59. So it is actually 59.9, that is approximately 66 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the total model. यही मॉडल का वॉल्यूम होगा, that is equal to 59.9, and approximately ये क्या होगा, 66 centimeter cube. Hope you understand. Now question number 3 is, the question number 3 is here: a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends, with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. With the given dimensions, we have a cylindrical shaped gulab jamun like this, with two hemispherical ends. तो इस तरह का हमारे पास एक गुलाब जामुन गिवन है, और इस गुलाब जामुन का जो हमारे पास डायमेंशन है, इन टोटल हमारे पास ये 45 गुलाब जामुन है, और हमसे कहा जा रहा है जो शुगर सिरप है वो 30% ऑफ इट्स वॉल्यूम. जो भी वॉल्यूम होगा एक गुलाब जामुन का, 45 गुलाब जामुन का, उन 45 गुलाब जामुन में से 30% जो होगा वो शुगर कंटेंट होगा। समझ आ रहा है? और यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास गिवन है, एज इट इज गिवन 30% ऑफ द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द 45 गुलाब जामुन, तो हम पहले वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वन एंड ऑल द गुलाब जामुन आर आइडेंटिकल। इट मींस दैट इफ वी फाइंड द वन volume of the one gulab jamun, we can easily multiply this with 45 to get the volume of the 45 gulab jamuns. After that, as we are given 30% of the volume, 30% is of the sugar contained in the what? In the gulab jamun, it means we find the 30% of the volume of the 45 gulab jamuns. Here the dimensions are given as with length 5 centimeter. Here the total length is given as 5 centimeter. Of the gulab jamun. Also we are given 2.8 is the diameter. The diameter is given as 2.8 centimeter. Okay, so here यहाँ पे हम क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं. It means we first find the volume of the whole gulab jamun. So solution, and this is question number 3, right? Volume of one gulab jamun will be equal to volume of cylinder plus twice volume of hemisphere. Why twice? Because here again the ends are hemispherical and both the ends are identical. The dimensions are given in the given same, so we can say both are identical here. So volume of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder. Now volume of cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. That will be equal to 22 upon 7. And the radius is equal to what? Radius is the half of diameter. That is half of diameter is divided by 2 means 1.4. 1.4 square into height. And what is the height of the, I am talking about what? Cylinder. So the height of the cylinder is up to this. So हमारे पास जो height of the cylinder होगा, मैं उसे यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, वो हमारे पास आ जाएगा. I told you before in the previous video that the radius of the hemisphere is equal to the height of the hemisphere. The radius of the hemisphere is equal to the height of the hemisphere. अगर हमारे पास इस तरह का hemisphere है मानो, और इसका जो रेडियस होगा वही हेमिस्फीयर की हाइट भी होगी. समझ आ रहा है? In the same manner, I am saying here radius is equal to the height. It means यहाँ पे भी ये 1.4 होगा और यहाँ से यहाँ तक भी 1.4 होगा. Why not 2.8? Because 2.8 is the diameter here, but 1.4 is the radius. So what will be the height of the cylinder then? It is actually 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4. So 5 minus 2.8, that is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus this 2.2. So 2.2 is actually what? The height of the cylinder. So we can write here as 2.2. It means again we can write this as, we simplify this as 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2, right? So 7 1 7 2 is 14, that means 0.2, right? 7 1 7 7 2 is 14, yeah, it is 0.2 here. Again we can write this as 20, this 1 point, now we have the result as 22 into 0.2 into 1.4 into 2.2. 0.552 as centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Also, volume of also volume of cone, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. We get the result as 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube means 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4. Right? 7 1 are 7, 7 0.2 again, and it will become 44 into 0.2 into 14 into 14 is 191.96 divided by 3. That will be equal to 44 into 0.2 into 1.96 divided by 3 will be equal to 5.74 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cone, and this is the volume of the cylinder here, and this is the volume of hemisphere. This should be clear to you that we are here discussing the volume of the hemisphere, not the cone. So mistake से यहाँ पे cone आया था, but it is actually volume of the hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and here the volume of the cylinder is this one. So what we need to find is we need to find the volume of 45 gulab jamuns, right? So what will be the volume of the 45 gulab jamuns here? Therefore, volume of one gulab jamun, पहले एक का निकालेंगे हम, that is equal to volume of the cylinder, and volume of the cylinder is here 13.552 plus 2 times 5.74, 2 times volume of the hemisphere, that is 2 into 5.74, that will become 13.552 plus 11.49. So after calculating this, we get 25.042. This is the volume of what? One gulab jamun implies volume of 45 gulab jamuns. तो 45 का होगा 25.042 into 45. This is in centimeter cube. This is also in centimeter cube. Here, what we have now, volume of 45 gulab jamuns. We need to find the sugar contained in 45 gulab jamuns at the rate of 30%. So हम 30% of this 25 निकालेंगे, तो उससे हमें वॉल्यूम हमें पता चल जाएगा कि शुगर कंटेंट कितना है इसमें. ओके, so sugar, therefore now sugar syrup in, अच्छा हमारे पास जो शुगर सिरप है वो दिया है इन 45 गुलाब जामुन्स में. क्या दिया है? is equal to 30% of volume of 45 गुलाब जामुन्स. हमें 30% ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ गुलाब जामुन्स है, तो 30% क्या होगा? 30/100 of means multiple, and the volume of 45 is what? 25.042 into होगा 45. So after calculating this, we get 5 to 10, right? 5 9 45. So we have 1.5 into 25.042 into 9, that will be 338.07. This is the total sugar contained. This is the total sugar. What we need to find is approximately how much syrup will be found. So 338.07 is the total sugar present in 45 gulab jamuns. क्योंकि ये कह रहा है कि ये भी 30% ऑफ वॉल्यूम है, इसलिए 338.47 जो टोटल वॉल्यूम है उसका 338.47 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब जो होगा वो शुगर सिरप होगा. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द होल क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे हमने पहले क्या किया? हमने सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम फाइंड किया, वो आया 13.552. आफ्टर दैट हमने हेमिस्फीयर का फाइंड किया, दैट इज 2/3 पाई r क्यूब. तो उससे कैलकुलेट पे एक का में 5.74 आया, यहाँ पे 2 है तो मल्टीपल विद 2 वी गेट इट एज 11.49. So we get the volume of one gulab jamun as 25.042 and the volume of 45 gulab jamuns will be multiple with 44, 42, 45. So after that we have sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns as 30% of the total volume, that is 30%, 30 by 100 of 25.042 into 45. After calculating this we get the sugar contained in the gulab jamun as total gulab jamuns as 3338.07.